We checked you for the H. pylori bacteria of the stomach, which goes, you can get a bacterial infection there.
The UFO capsule came out all right.
Did you wave at it?
I did wave at it. Check these babies out. Look at that. Those things look good. On the road again. We're so glad to be on the road again. Going places that we've never ever been. We're so glad to be on the road again. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, we are Richie, Maxine, and Maverick. And we just finally hit the road. Finally. We were delayed a few days because of some medical issues that we'll get into later in this video. But I just want to go ahead and tell you right now, the UFO capsule came out all right.
Did you wave at it?
I did wave at it. You'll have to watch the video to see what that's all about. But everything's all good. This is Saturday, almost noon. We were leaving this past Wednesday, so we're only held up about 3 days. It's okay. Man, I didn't know that it was going to rain all night and all day. So that's how we finished packing up this morning, was just getting soaking freaking wet.
Oh, we were drenched. We had to put all of our clothes in the dryer.
Yeah, it was something else. But the thing is, here we are. We're headed out to Quartzsite. We only have
7 miles.
7 at this point. We'll have a little less than 2,000 miles to go. Now we'll get to the video. We got delayed for a couple days, so we're out here. I'm actually taking care of some projects. Both of us are. Here, I know I've got everything laid out, but as you see, I'm painting.
That's an after.
Yeah, that's
Usually show before first.
So this is the Florida trailer. And as you can see, all 4 of them have some rust.
Here you go, love. Drink some of this before you.
There we go. 2 down. 2 to go. They look much, much, much better.
They do. They bugged me when you bought it.
I came out here at 10 o'clock this morning, thinking I'm going to do a few projects and get the camper packed up and ready. And guess what? It's 6 o'clock. I had no idea. Check these babies out. Look at that. Those things look good. Oh, organized. Went and bought some tubs for the sewer and the power. Everything's all organized. Look how clean and new. While we're at it, repainted all this. It had a little rust on it. The whole tongue right through here looks much better. Had a few spots where it'd been hit. I touched those up. Man, look how much better that looks. God, it was so rusty and ugly. Still have room. I have the truck bed somewhat packed. I like a clean RV. I don't know. Maxine and I both. So we like everything to be in order. But the inside, we have all our clothes up here. We do have one tote that we're putting ski winter stuff in, and we'll have to keep that in the truck because we just don't have room here. But here's our ottoman that we keep blankets, extra blankets. So this turned out really well. We'll keep shoes under here. Got my thermometer out of the Class A for the refrigerator. One of them's not working. I need to check the batteries. But other than that, oh, we took the all the insulation, I forget what it's called, the silver, I have to think of it, whatever it is. But we have windows. We never looked out of them before. We just bought it, left it on there. Maxine has this with that, what's it called? Museum tape, museum putty. So I have an Alexander's Great Adventure sticker I need to put out somewhere. Medical. Now what happened? Well, last weekend I had really bad stomach cramps for a couple days. As a matter of fact, Saturday I didn't get out of bed at all. My resting heart rate was really high and my stools were solid black. So I told all that to ChatGPT, and he came back. He's really concerned, wanted me to go to the emergency room. Well, yeah, I didn't go to the emergency room, but I did go to the walk-in clinic on Sunday. They did some blood work. The following day, Monday, I called one of my best friends, Rachel, who works for my GI doc. She had me an appointment for 10:15 the following morning. Well, that night, Monday night, I got an email with my blood work and took that with me to the GI doc. Well, they agreed. My hemoglobin was low. A couple other markers that, along with the black stool, looked like internal bleeding. So they scheduled me for an endoscopy and a colonoscopy Thursday morning. Really quick. I told Rachel I had to get on the road. So glad I had a friend that worked there. Well, we go in, did the procedure. Then I came out, I was coming to.
And I videoed him.
All loopy.
I got the best footage
Yeah.
you could ever see. Or at least it would have been great if I'd have hit record. Would have been great.
She pulled a Richie and did hit the record.
I did.
Yeah. So anyway.
I did. I was so bummed when I found out that I didn't video anything.
Well, it is what it is. We'll never get that back. Well, they didn't find anything. So they gave me a capsule cam. I had to swallow it and wait, till it passed before I could leave. And it passed this morning. Everything hopefully is all good. So now we're on the road to Quartzsite. We're almost to Arkansas. We've been in Tennessee all day.
All day.
So our goal is Arkansas, stay the night, and
continue on.
That's it. We're pretty much ready to go. I'm super excited. I'm even more excited that I didn't eat a bite since last night, and I don't get to eat again until tomorrow afternoon. But we're used to fasting, so it's really not a big deal for me. We usually fast 23 hours most days, through the week, and then on the weekends we don't. We'll do about 16-hour fast on the weekends. So it's not a big deal. I haven't really been hungry today. But whenever I get home tomorrow, I'm sure I'll eat real well. Anyway, thank you all for watching. We really appreciate it. We can't wait to get out to Quartzsite. We've never been there. There's a content creator meetup on Saturday the 17th, and so far, well, I can tell, it's all maybe 60 or 70. I looked at the list, I didn't count. Different content creators, so we're gonna meet up. A lot of them I'm seeing on YouTube, other ones I don't know yet. I'm sure none of them know us. Except for a couple we've kind of hooked up with and talked to on Facebook. But yeah, they don't know us yet. Not yet, but they will. Everyone have a great day. Thanks.
Find out. Yeah, you didn't have any ulcers. Your upper gut looked good. We checked you for the H. pylori bacteria of the stomach, which goes, you can get a bacterial infection there. Your colon was fine. There were no polyps or anything. So
no of that bacteria?
well, I checked you for it. I don't think that explained the bleeding, but we usually check people for H. pylori because it can be precancerous in your stomach. So a lot of times we go through this and we never find out where it came. A blood vessel burst or something and sealed over, but it depends what it is.
So my body just sealed it up or whatever?
It could, yeah. It's not uncommon. We go through and we don't find anything.
What we have here is my Capsule cam kit. So yesterday, after my colonoscopy and endoscopy, they didn't find anything. So they wanted me to take this capsule that has a camera. It's so cool looking, but it is pretty big, if you can see that hole. I would say about that big. It's pretty big. So we took it out and it lit up and it looked like a spaceship. It's really cool. Can't believe we didn't get any footage of it. I don't know why, but I took it, swallowed it down. So it's going through my body right now. It has been since about 11 o'clock yesterday, so about 18 hours. Just filming inside my small intestines where they couldn't reach with the endoscopy or the colonoscopy. So I'm just waiting on a bowel movement. And when that happens, hopefully tonight, I will put on these trusty gloves, lay this over my toilet seat, and this will retrieve my capsule cam. Then have the handy dandy lightning rod here with a magnet on the end. I'll just reach in to here with the lightning rod, collect it, rinse it off, put it in here, close it up, put it in the FedEx package, which I don't have out here, send it off, ship it off FedEx to wherever it goes. I will wave at it, say, hey, I hope everything goes well. But that's it. That's all we're waiting on to get out of here. I'm leaving tomorrow morning. I promise this is going to happen tonight or in the morning at some point. And we'll be on the road to Quartzsite. We were leaving Wednesday. If we leave tomorrow, that's Saturday. Yeah, that is not the way I travel. I always leave a day or two early, not 3 or 4 days late. But it is what it is. I'm glad I caught this, and I hope nothing comes of it. I think everything will be fine. Well, today's the day. We finally hit the road, and of course it's pouring down rain. Everything came out all good with the camera capsule. So we had everything packed and ready almost, and we had no idea it was going to rain all night long until 2 o'clock this afternoon. So here we are, but we're hooking up right now. We're heading out. We'll keep y'all updated. Thank you all for watching. We really do appreciate it.
We do. We appreciate it.
We switched seats. Maxine's driving now.
For some reason, I either get the fog or I get the rain, or both.
If you would, please like, share, and comment. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. I'll put the links in the description down below. Please stay tuned for next week's video. We will be in Quartzsite, Arizona for the first time for a content creators meet and greet. We're super excited. We just headed out on our 2,000-mile road trip, so stay tuned. We'll try to capture some exciting events along the way. Thank you all for watching. Peace. Maverick, quit chewing on that.
What's Pup Dog doing?
He's chewing on something. Is this your first big road trip? Are you excited?